Brazilians drink only 1.2 liters of water every day, 40% less than the 2 liters recommended by the World Health Organization. The reason for the low average is simple. People just don't remember to drink water, especially during work hours. To change that, Bonafont wanted to remind them of doing so. We sent a desktop mini fridge with 2 liters of Bonafont to one of our most influential Twitters. But it was not just a simple gift. Thanks to technology, we gave the device a digital life and a 140-character voice. We proudly introduce the tweeting fridge. The first time the fridge is opened, surprise! After that, every time the fridge is opened, a tweet is posted on the celebrity's timeline. With hundreds of different messages, each tweet leads all the audience to a website. The fridge also takes care of its owner's health, reminding to get hydrated. To keep this story going, all we need to do is keep our celebrities supplied with 2 liters of Bonafont daily. Simple, precise, and with a high replication factor, the first Bonafont fridge became an object of desire. Once a month, a personality will join the campaign, receiving a new fridge and awareing millions of people about the importance of drinking water. 2 liters every day.